Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you the iTipper app. The iTipper app is primarily used by delivery drivers to keep track of tips and shifts and hours and such, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. So, like I just said, the main function is to keep track of tips and hours. So that can all be viewed on the shift dashboard. So if you wanted to add a common tip up here, there's $1 to $5. Those are pretty common for day-to-day deliveries. I can add that. If somebody is a bit generous and gives you a tip higher than $5, then I can add that. That's pretty generous. I can also clock in and out. So here you have the ability to start and end a shift. I accidentally forgot to clock out. Oops. So if I wanted to fix that, I can edit my shifts here. And let's see. I actually worked until 5 o'clock. So 2:30 to 5:30, that sounds about right. And you can see that change here. You can also edit your tips. So if I actually didn't get a $15 tip, oops, it was actually $12, I can edit that. Perfect. And then you can see that change here. Also, you can view your graph, your tip history, and lastly, you have the ability to look up addresses on a map. So if I am not really familiar with Columbia and I want to know where 1400 Whaley Street is, I can see exactly where it is. How convenient. So when you're done with your shift, you can end shift, and then finally, when you're done with the app, you can log out. And that's iTipper. Thank you.